guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things luxury beauty related, especially luxury skincare. And in today's video, I am going to review the Perricone High Potency Hyaluronic Intensive Hydrating Serum. Oh my God, that was a mouthful, but here she is. Right here in this frosted glass bottle. Feels luxurious, looks luxurious. Perricone MD has been around for a long time in the luxury skincare game. So whenever I could get my hands on a product that I think is gonna go in my routine, of course I try to purchase it. So I don't know if this hyaluronic serum is on the newer side. I thought I saw some new advertisement for it, but I'm not quite sure. The thing is, this is my day serum, okay? I'm gonna be reviewing this for you. I'm gonna be putting it on my face, giving you up close and personals. I'm gonna be showing you everything and share with you everything I know about the product because I'm almost empty on it. First of all, the reason why I love a hyaluronic acid serum is because it's just great at maintaining moisture in your skin. It holds the moisture in your skin. And a lot of the times when we look older than we should, probably you could decrease some age off your skin just by moisturizing it, because as your skin dries, it starts developing, it's like a shriveled like raisin or something, right? Like think about that. And you start getting wrinkles and fine lines because it's like your skin is just, there's no moisture in it, girl. There's nothing going on there. So hyaluronic acid is like the best for maintaining water, maintaining moisture in your skin, therefore making you look plump, making you look youthful, and making you look radiant and healthy. So hyaluronics hold a very dear space in my heart. What really captivated me about this product was its texture. I've never seen texture like this on a hyaluronic. Usually they're a little, they're not greasy, but they're a little, gel-like in consistency. That's the best way I could describe it. Not this. If you look, this is like giving you like a satin veil. Like you don't see like a shine or anything. You don't, it reminds me a lot of the lamertheconcentrate in texture. Honestly, it reminds me so much of it that I was honestly shook. So I'm gonna apply the rest of this on my skin and then I wanna read more about this product to you. But to apply it, I just kind of sweep it over my face. And the application instructions, it's right on the back of the bottle. After cleansing, massage onto damp face and neck using a gentle upward motion. Use morning and evening. I don't apply stuff when my face is damp. I feel like when your skin is damp with water already, it really helps move product around your skin, but it also makes you feel more moisturized than you really are. And then when your face dries, your skin doesn't feel moisturized. It feels a little stretched thin because the water made you feel more moisturized than you normally would, and therefore using less of the product, and then your skin dries dry. So I don't really like that method. However, I always do some sort of cleanse before I apply this. Also, what I had on my skin prior to putting this on was the SK2 Essence, just to prep my skin and get it ready for oncoming ingredients such as hyaluronic acid. So I'm gonna do one more because I do about a pump and a half to 2 pumps and a half on the heavier side. And I just, like as the directions say, I try to always, like even if I do a circular motion, I'm always going up at the end of it. Don't forget smile lines. Because this product is not like so water-based and not so, like the texture of it isn't like water. It's kind of makes your skin a little sticky. So towards the ending of it, I prefer to pat it in just to make sure it's, really in there. So now if you look at my skin, it's not giving you the most dramatic glow, but it's not giving you anything either. This would be a nice base for makeup too. And honestly, using this, my makeup has been applying like a dream. I think it has to go towards like the texture of it as well. So I'm gonna read a bit about the product to you that's written online, and I'm gonna tell you if I agree with it. So I'm on the QVC website. I can link it down below. I purchased this right from ULTA only because I like to go and like take my time and look and see textures and what I think will work for my skin. I do have combination skin, which is why I try to really look into it. The description, it states, containing peptides and ceramides, Perricone Hyaluronic Intensive Hydrating Serum. That is a mouthful. Also contains moisturizers known to hydrate skin. Duh, the hyaluronic acid. In an expert grader analysis with the subject using this product twice daily, after 8 weeks, the serum was shown to diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles, shown to improve the look of skin texture. I do have to agree with this. This made my skin look really nice, not gonna lie. Perricone MD it has great quality to it. I never have a bad product by Perricone. 90% agreed skin feels softer, agreed it improves the overall appearance of skin, 83% agreed skin feels more supple. And supple is really what we want at the end of the day. You want a nice, supplely hydrated face. Nothing dry, nothing cracky. You get 2 ounces of this for $129. So 2 ounces is like unheard of. Like it's always like an ounce if you're lucky, but 2 ounces for $129 for a quality serum, I think is worth it, and I don't think it's badly priced. I know QVC has a lot of Perricone MD sales going on, so if you guys want to, I'll link it below if you want to check that website. But all in all, I do really like this hyaluronic acid. I think it's unique. I think it's different. I think it has a different texture. I feel like it still delivers quality to your skin without making you feel oily, without making you look greasy. Sometimes they could be a little heavy hyaluronic acids, and you just have to watch. I'm very picky about hyaluronic acid. You can easily go to the drugstore and get like what's it called? Neutrogena hyaluronic, but it's just not the same. Investing in a quality hyaluronic acid, I think, is honestly mandatory. Seriously, I do. I think having this, I like hyaluronic acid better than I like vitamin C for a daytime serum. That's just my personal opinion. I've tried a lot of vitamin C products. It's like all the rage. I just feel like the market got a little crazy with it. Like everyone just started getting like vitamin C from like everywhere other than oranges. I mean, it was like, like grapes and some rare banana from like, I don't even know, like acai berry. And it was starting to just be like so overdone in the market, and vitamin C can break you out a little bit. It can make your skin a little sensitive. So love this for the daytime. I'm gonna recommend this to all skin types. If you're oily, I think especially oily people would like this hyaluronic acid serum because it's not overbearing with like different types of ingredients trying to make it a little more, sometimes brands put different ingredients in their products to make them feel a certain way. And I think this just has a different makeup and a different texture that's not gonna feel like your skin is overbearing. So I think you could still get your hyaluronic acid even with oily skin because you need that to balance out your skin's pH regardless. So recommending this to everybody. I love you guys. If you're new here, definitely subscribe. I'm always doing videos on the best skincare products and spilling all the tea. Like I don't even play. Like I'm almost empty on this because I won't review it unless I really, really know. I love you guys. Follow me on Instagram for updates, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.